Namaste viewers. We are discussing several aspects of Consumer Protection Act and the authorities that are established under Consumer Protection Act. Every consumer, when he wants to file a complaint in the Consumer Commission, he is bewildered or wondered on what happens if the complaint is filed in the Consumer Commission. Because he doesn't have any previous exposure on how these consumer commissions work. So today, I am making an attempt to inform the consumers that how the complaint will be handled by the Consumer Commission. When a consumer files his complaint in the office of the Consumer Commission, first it scans or scrutinizes the complaint. At this stage, what they observe is whether all the informations that are required to adjudicate a complaint are furnished in the complaint or not, like the full address of the consumer, similarly against whom the complaint is filed, whether there are 2 parties or 3 parties, whether there is any jurisdictional issues. That means the Commission has jurisdiction to entertain the complaint and the required fee is paid. First, initially, this is what the Office of the Consumer Commission looks into. And if everything is okay, then they accept the complaint. Otherwise, they return the complaint, advising the consumer to remove the defects which are pointed out by the office. After the complaint is received by the Commission, then a copy of the complaint is sent to the opposite party or the party against whom the complaint is filed, asking him to give a reply within 30 days. In case the opposite party asks for extension of time for filing the reply, then the Commission has authority to grant another 15 days additional time for filing his counter. After the reply is filed by the opposite party, then if the Commission is of the view that there is an element of scope for compromise, then they refer the complaint to mediation cell. Suppose if there is a defect in goods or deficiency in service which are to be tested only by an appropriate laboratory, in such a case that those goods are sent to appropriate laboratory for testing, for which consumer has to pay the laboratory fees also. The complainant who filed the complaint must bear the expenses. And when the matter is referred to an approved laboratory, Commission asks the laboratory to send its report within 45 days. After the report from the laboratory is received by the Commission, they give this report to both the parties, asking them to give their objections. If the goods are not required to be sent to the laboratory, then when there is a scope for compromise, the complaint will be referred to mediation cell. If the mediator settles the dispute, he informs the same to the Consumer Commission, then Consumer Commission gives the order in accordance with the terms of reference which the mediator reported. Suppose the mediator expresses his inability to work out a compromise between the parties, he has to tell the same to the commission. Then commission takes back the complaint and starts adjudicating the complaint afresh. And when the complaint is taken up again by the commission, it asks the consumer to file what are all the documentary evidence that is available with him to file before the commission and explain before the commission. After the consumer's evidence is over, the next step will be for opposite party's evidence. Opposite party naturally denies the allegations made by the complainant. So he produces some documents in support of his reply. After both the evidences are collected, then the case will be posted for orders. This is how a complaint is handled by the Consumer Commission. In some other episode, let us also learn what kind of decisions or what kind of reliefs a Consumer Commission can give to the complainant will be discussed.
ఈ కార్యక్రమం మీకు ఎంతగానో నచ్చింది కదా? ఇటువంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోల కోసం డాక్టర్ సమరం కన్స్యూమర్ అవేర్నెస్ ఛానల్ వినియోగికి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే ప్రక్కనున్న గంట సింబల్ ని ప్రెస్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.
Please download Samaram multi-channel app and watch your favorite channels from your mobile. App available on Google Play Store and subscribe to the channels.